Hi there, we are working on 7.1, graphing and solving inequalities. So a little different than what we've been working on in the last unit. But let's start out with our symbols. So first off, we have the symbol right here, and we call that greater than. So it means the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. And the way it would look on a graph, if we had to symbolize it on a graph, is we would, at this point, it's not an equal to, it's just referring to greater than. You'd want to put a circle at this point in time and shade everything to the right. And of course, this is assuming x is on the left side, like x is greater than 1. Now, the next one we have is a less than symbol. If I were to graph something like this, here's my number line. And I'll put a number here. Let's make it different. 2. So if I had to graph something like x is less than 2 in an open circle, I would shade to the left to represent all the possible solutions for x, all the possible values. Everything to the left, but not including 2. And now let's change it up a little bit. Greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to. And so, of course, referring greater than, and then the line, the slash underneath refers to being equal to. So on a number line, it would be a closed circle shaded to the right. So a closed circle. So if I made this, don't leave anybody out. Let's say x is greater than or equal to 3. And the opposite would be a less than or equal to. So less than or equal to, that says less than or equal to. And if I were to graph it, we'll put a point here at 4. So the equal means closed circle, and referring to all the solutions would be to the left, to include 4 and everything to the left of 4. So x is less than or equal to 4. And finally, we have this sign. It's an equal sign with a slash to it. It means not equal to. So it's not equal to that. Putting that slash through it changes it from being an equal sign to a not equal sign. Something like, here's my point. So it's not equal to this point, but anything to the left or to the right would serve as a solution. So there you have it. Symbols, name, and graph for inequalities.